to calculate the surface area of cube, so we all know that cube has 6 equal faces. So in this example, if we have 5 cm as the height of this cube, then all sides should be 5 cm. So to calculate the surface area, we have to get one face of this cube where the side or each side has 5 cm. And to get the area of this square, we have to multiply area is equal to 5 times 5. And that is equal to 25 cm square. And after that, so since we all know that cube has 6 equal faces, so 25 cm square multiplied by 6, and then the answer is 150 cm square, and that is the total surface area of this cube. Okay, so that's all. Bye.